Hey friends, welcome back. Welcome to my channel Happy Organizing with Jaya. This is Jaya and through my channel I give simple and easy tips to organize your home. Yes, today I'm here with a very easy tip to organize your shoes. We are going to make use of a door. Yes, friends, we have always seen clothes hanging behind the doors. Yes, that's what I have seen since my childhood. Every house or every one of us, we always had some clothes hanging behind the doors. But today I'm going to show you how you can organize your shoes behind the door. It's a very simple and easy way of organize your shoes. So if you're looking for ways to organize your shoes, then this video is for you. So let us not waste time. Just come with me. I'll show you how to organize your shoes. So let us see how I have organized my son's shoes behind this door. Yes, so this is his room door, and just behind this I have organized his shoes. So I have made a place for his shoes here. So as you can see, I have used these rods that have been used in the bathrooms to hang the wet towels. Yes, so these rods I have used to organize my son's shoes. So this is a very simple and easy tip of organizing your shoes behind the door. So this is the shoe hanger that I'll be using to hang the shoes. This I have purchased from DIY and you can get it online too. So these are very useful for hanging shoes or organizing your shoes. So making use of this hanger, you can just hang your shoes on this hanger this way and hang them to the rod. So this is another way of hanging your shoes using these shoe hangers. So as you can see, by using the shoe hangers, we can hang a lot of shoes and make a maximum utilization of this place. So this is a very useful method of organizing shoes that has worked for my son, and I hope it will work for you. So friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every Saturday. Bye. Thank you very much.